If you're kind of frustrated with your Galaxy Watch 7 touchscreen, especially after the software update, like the screen gets frozen, it's not responding, it just randomly gets slow or laggy, the best solution to a frozen screen, whether it's sudden or after an update, is to force reboot your watch. So press and hold the power and the back buttons together. Just keep holding it down till it shows Samsung logo rebooting on your screen. Sometimes what happens is that, especially if you're using your watch for a while, there might be some dust, sweat, or moisture or water droplets, whatever, that's stored on your watch screen. So just make sure your watch screen is clean enough. Apart from that, in rare cases, you might be seeing this water droplet over your watch screen. Now that means there's nothing wrong with your screen, it's just accidentally enabled water lock. To disable it, simply press and hold over the power button, and in a few seconds, the water lock will be disabled. Alright guys, so if the screen frozen problem comes and goes randomly, there are a few tips that I want to share. First, whenever the screen gets frozen, simply connect your watch with a charger. This will show the charging animation because any screen activity might naturally wake up the screen. Now, similarly, if you're trying to use the device and it gets frozen while it's plugged in on charge, the screen might also get unresponsive. So just disconnect it from the charger before you use it. It's totally depend on your situation. There is another trick that you can try, and that is just go and open up your wearable app and change your watch face to literally anything. What you're doing is to try to trigger a screen activity that will wake up the screen. Now, if the screen frozen issue comes and goes randomly and frequently, there is another trick that you can try. From the wearable app, go to watch settings, from there to display, scroll down a bit, and just enable touch sensitivity. Whether you're wearing gloves or there are dust or debris on your fingertips, this will not cause the screen frozen issue. But just in case none of this process helped you, there might be some hardware issue with your touch screen. So we recommend you to just take your watch as soon as possible to the nearby service center. Thanks for watching.